To apply command wire hooks, first separate the adhesive strips. Peel off the red printed liner and apply the strip to the plate on the back of the hook. Next, peel off the black printed liner and press the hook firmly against the wall for 30 seconds. These hooks are perfect for hanging dustpans, mops and brooms, ideal in rooms or cupboards where space is limited. To remove, slide the hook gently upwards to reveal the back plate and removal tab. Holding the base with one hand, gently pull the removal tab straight down, parallel to the wall, stretching the strip until the back plate releases. Command hooks come off cleanly, leaving no surface damage.